Hi everybody, this is CJ, owner of Buff Boot Camp, Charlotte, North Carolina. Boot camp that has grown pretty good over the last few months, and I can say it is mostly due to the foundation that's been set forth for me and put there for me by Mr. Jonathan FitPro, with the tools he's given me, starting with the videos, the hundreds of videos he's put out, detailing what he's going through from day one, and that's allowed me to pretty much do the same thing. You know, if you want to be successful, you have to copy other successful people. That's what I've done. On from the videos to the better boot camp model that he's put out there, and you know, detailing his syllabus, just the workouts he's done. And if you look at the workouts he's done and watch the videos, you can kind of feel like you're right there in the boot camp, and you know what he's doing from start to finish. And that's what I feel when I go in my boot camp. A boot camp that's grown from 4 to 5 people in one small room to where I'm at 20 people, class sizes of 16 people. I'm thinking about adding more sessions. Matter of fact, I'm having to add more sessions, and I'm thinking about making it my full-time job. So with that, you know, the colorful boot camp, the FitPro calculator, clients love to see that color, and it calculates all the numbers in there, put it right in front of them. Makes my job a lot easier. Allows me to stay more organized and add value to my service. You know, with the different formats, it's all laid out for you. He could probably charge $200 for this. I probably would have bought it. So to that guy, I say thanks, man. My boot camp probably wouldn't be where it is now. Matter of fact, I know it wouldn't be where it is now. He's made all the mistakes for me already. You know, and he's putting the stuff out there for everybody to see. And I wouldn't be where I'm at. To that, I say thank you, Mr. Jonathan FitPro. Helped me out a lot.
Charlotte. Now the Dumbbells to Dollars course, I think I was on it before he was calling it that. But before then, he was still laying out all the formats, workouts. All this stuff gave me variety to offer to my clients, which helped me to get to where I am in my own facility. You know, people come to me and say, I'm not getting this variety in other boot camps, or definitely not getting it on my own. So, and all this stuff I was getting from the Dumbbells to Dollars course. So that gave me my foundation. I still resort to that if I need a quick workout or something like that. Then the FitPro calculator, which I still use to stay organized. I'm giving it to my trainers for them to use because it helps us sell. It looks way more organized, and being able to send the stuff directly to people's phones is always a plus. I couldn't have got where I am without that. It took so much of a load off my shoulders, and not having to worry about just focusing on marketing and focusing on my clients. Yeah, man, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now without that Dumbbells to Dollars course. So, I mean, give it up to Jonathan for putting that together, man.